Picture a machine where each key strike imprints inked letters onto paper, crafting words with mechanical precision. This is the typewriter, a relic before digital word processors. It's manual, no backspaces, mistakes met with correction fluid. Each keystroke resonates with a tactile, rhythmic clack. Finish a line? A bell chimes, and you slide the carriage back. These machines made writers of many, turning thoughts into tangible text. In its heyday, the typewriter wasn't just a tool, it was an art form, echoing tales of yesteryears on each paper it touched. For more, stay tuned to Tech Corniche.